Hello everyone, my name is Kin, I'm from Myanmar. Today's tutorial is my everyday makeup look. First, I'm gonna apply the moisturizer. It's from Clinique. It's a gel moisturizer. And then don't forget to apply some sunscreen. I'm using the sunscreen from Clarins, which has the SPF 50. Here in Dubai, the sun is crazy and the heat is crazy, but now the weather is getting better. But anyway, in the daytime, don't forget to apply some sunscreen to protect your skin from the wrinkles and having some spots. This concealer, since I'm not doing the foundation, I'm not wearing the foundation, I'm applying the concealer of my skin tone. This is from Sephora Best Skin Ever, number 27. I'm gonna spread it to the places that I need and then blend it out with the beauty blender. Normally, if you choose the concealer, go for a 1 or 2 tone lighter than your normal foundation shades. But today, since I'm not wearing foundation and I'm not doing any highlights, I just want to cover up some spots. So I'm doing applying the concealer which has my skin tone, and I have a few spots here from my acne scar, so I'm just gonna tap it with the concealer. This is my recent favorite concealer. It's just worked very well for me. And then I'm gonna set it with the pressed powder. I'm using the brush from Zoeva, powder brush from Zoeva. When you set with the powder, just roll your brush on your skin so that it will set, the powder will set. Just dust it a little bit. You don't need a very full coverage makeup in the summertime because it's very hot outside and it's gonna melt anyway under the mask. And don't forget to apply some on the neck area and a little bit on the ear. After the pressed powder, what I like to do is set it, spray it with the setting spray so that your makeup this will last longer. And before I do my brows, I'm gonna contour a little bit my face with Hoola, and I'm using the brush from Zoeva Sheer Cheek. It stays under the mask, so they're not gonna see anyway, but I still love to do it. And then don't forget the hairline. I'm gonna use Sigma angle brush E70. And then what I'd like to do is take a little bit of pressed powder and then put it in the middle so that I will have the see, a little bit, because I have a very small nose. Then I'm gonna use the same Hoola browser and then apply it on my eyelid. with NARS. This is the long-lasting waterproof eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply it to the tight line. When you apply eyeliner, just go the closest with the lash line. Don't go very high, because we Asian have the hooded eyes, and if you go very high, very thick eyeliner, it won't look good. So just go apply with the very close to the lash line. And my right side eye, it's I don't have the double eyelid. Actually I have, but I have the extra fat on my eyelid, so it's got folded inside. So if I do the eyeliner, I have to go a little bit like higher than the left. It's tricky though. It's just very weird. I have only double eyelid on my left side, but the right, it's folded. But it's okay. We are all beautiful, we are all pretty in our own way. I take the black eyeshadow with the angle brush, and I'm gonna smash through the eyeliner so that it will last longer. And if you have some fallouts, it's okay. Just brush it through lightly, it's gonna be fine. And same goes to the other side. And I like to draw a little bit wing with the eyeshadow powder. When you draw a wing, don't close your eyes. It's gonna be hook, like a hook. So look straight to the mirror. And that's it. Just draw a little bit of small wing so that your eyes will elongate. Same brush. Just do it, apply it on the lower lash line, only to the 1/3 of the lower lash line. Like to do the apply some more bronzer on my eyelid. I'm using a size up from Sephora. When you apply mascara, just put the mirror under down like this so that you can see your lashes and apply it one by one. Coat the lashes one by one with the mascara. I just want to show you the and I like applying to the lower lash as well. If your mascara like happen to be on your eyelid or on the skin, don't take it off right away, otherwise you will mess up your mascara and eye makeup. Just wait for a little bit. When it's dry, and then you can just remove it, like, you know, when it's dry, you take a spoolie and then you can remove it. So I'm gonna do my eyebrow quickly. And some eyebrow gel, eyebrow mascara to my brows. And for the blush, I'm using a Shame on You from Sephora with my Zoeva powder brush. We used to do it like smile and then we put it here, right? But now we take it up to the temple. Take a little bit of shimmer and apply it to the above the cheek, a little bit on my nose. The shimmer, you should apply it to the places where the light hit, so that it will look glossy, dewy, and a little bit under the brow area, a little bit on the cupid bow. I'm applying some on my tear ducts area. Okay, and for the lips, I use the Kat Von D Double Dare color, double Dare. The Kat Von D lipsticks are they are long lasting and smudge proof, so it will stay on your lips. And even under the mask, it won't smash it to the it won't spread it to the mask. And I'm gonna show you one more trick. Take the one ply from your tissue, facial tissue. Take a little bit of powder. Put it on the lips. And it will stay longer, trust me. And I'm done with my makeup. I'll spray one more time with the setting spray. And this should last the whole day, even with the mask on. And even if you take off the mask, even if you sweat, it will last. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like it, thumbs up and share it for me. Thank you very much. You have a beautiful day. Stay beautiful, stay safe. Bye bye.